Welcome back to the Mobile Fun YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest accessories for your devices. Today, we're taking a look at 4 Pixel 6 cases. We have the Ghostek Exec 4, Olixars Silicone case, Olixars Carbon Fibre case, and LoveCases Gel case. Before we begin, make sure you check out the links in the description below for all your mobile accessory needs. Let's kick things off with the Ghostek Exec 4. This is a case and wallet all in one. However, the wallet can easily be removed from the phone if needed. The case has a raised lip around the screen to help it stop getting scratched on flat surfaces. The case is serious when it comes to protecting your device. It's made from tough materials to ensure if you drop it, your phone will be okay. The buttons on this case are raised from the rest of it to make them easier to press while wearing gloves, perfect for this time of year. Next, we have Olixars Silicone case for the Pixel 6. Now, the Pixel comes in some interesting colours, and from conversations around the office, you either love them or don't. If you don't like them so much, this case is for you. It's available in 3 colours, which are nice and bright. The silicone material will help stop your phone sliding off the sofa and landing on a hard floor, speaking from experience here. The buttons are nice and flexible, making them nice to press. However, the click is slightly muted. Moving on to the next Olixar one. This is called the Carbon Fibre Protective Case. Now, it's not real carbon fibre, but just the look of it. I think it feels great in the hands and adds a nice texture to the back of the phone. The buttons are nice and clicky thanks to a slit next to them. The best thing about this case is the protection for the camera bar, as it's fully covered and just has the cutouts for the lens, flash and microphones. Overall, a good looking case with fantastic protection. Finally, we have LoveCases White Stars and Moon case. I think these LoveCases are a great way to add a little personalization to your phone, while still being able to see the colour of the original phone you purchased. I think the case feels great in the hands. It gives a good amount of protection to the phone with raised lips around the camera bump and screen. The buttons also feel nice and clicky, so no complaints there. Overall, these cases will help protect your new Pixel, but each has its pros and cons. I hope this helps you pick a new case for your Pixel 6. Please subscribe for more videos on the Pixel 6. Share with anyone you know that needs to protect their new Pixel. Comment below which case you like the best. And finally, to buy these or any other phone accessories, check out the links in the description below.